Miss Clark arranged the 15 test scores of her students in order of size and selected the 8th score for reporting purposes. Which of the following statistical measures did Miss Clark obtain? All right, she arranged them in order of size, then selected the 8th. There are 15 of them. If you consider 15 divided by, first of all, you can get an idea of what it is. You wouldn't need to arrange them in order to get the mean, right? The mode is the one that is there most often. The range is from the lowest to the highest, so that's not the case. You can see only one answer that would be valid here. But let's look at it in detail still. Once you know your statistics, you can get the answer very quickly. But here, 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Now, when you consider 7.5 and you add half to it, you get 8. Now, if you have the 8th one, then for 15, how many do you have on the left? You have 7 of them on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To make 14. And then the middle one is the 8th one, the median. Alright? Remember, if you have an odd number of items and you divide by 2, and you add half to it, you get the middle one, the one in the middle. Just like if you had 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, the median would be 3 divided by 2 equal 1.5. 1.5 plus 0.5 would be 2. The second, you have to remember these things, right? If you had 5 items, the third one would be in the middle. If you put 5 over 2, you get 2.5. And 2.5 plus 0.5 is 3. So the median will be the third. You also have to remember, if you had, say, 7 of them, you can see here that the median would be the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, 4 would be the median. If you put 7 over 2, you get 3.5. Add 3.5 to 0.5. Add 0.5 to 3.5, you get 4. So you have the 4th one, and so on and so forth. You have to remember that. You might get another question where it's an even number of items. You have to know how to deal with that as well. If you have 4 items, the median would be the average of the second and the third one. Here, if you put 4 over 2, you get 2. So the median would be the average of the second and third item. If you have 6 of them, you have 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're looking at the third and fourth in the middle. So you're going to have to find the average of the third and fourth. You have 2 to the left and 2 to the right. Third and fourth in the middle. So now, if you put 6 over 2, you get 3. So the median is the average of the third and the next one, fourth, right? And so on and so forth. You have to remember these things. So, answer for question 39 is D.